Tutorial on how to get Barrel of Starlight, legendary item. In Growth of Giggle Roleplay. First go to the nest map. The only compulsory item here is the shears. Now follow where I go. Go left. Now just continue following. Once you reach this hole, turn left. Use the shears to cut open the door. Interact with the barrel on the ground. You would get a badge when you interact, and I didn't because I already had it. Well, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe with notifications on if you want to. See you soon.